The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2015 Lexus GX 460 with the factory installed flush side rail. We've just installed the Yakima CoreBar RidgeLine base roof rack system. So this system consists of the Yakima CoreBar, 50 inches in length, the RidgeLine tower set of 4, and the ridge clip set number 48. So this system allows you to add a rack system with the factory installed flush side rails. So really great system. The back clamp actually has a 90-degree angle that hooks into the inside lip. So that allows you to be able to adjust the bars anywhere along the length of the flush side rails, just not on top of the access caps that are on the rail. There's 3 of them on each side. So crossbar spacing up to 44 inches center to center, weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed. On this vehicle, we put the rack more towards the back for aerodynamics and to not block the sunroof with the basket that we'll be installing. So make sure you check out that video. But for more pictures, pricing, details, please click on the link in the description below. And like always, thanks for watching.